Good morning, friends. I'm at the small park. I just was sitting here for half an hour and I was just watching a YouTube video. It's very beautiful. You can hear the birds chirping because it's December 16th, so it's quite nice. It's quite pleasant. My voice is really hurting, and I don't know what to say. I'm just feeling very kind of strange. Actually, I was supposed to go out on a Sunday, but then I didn't wanted to suddenly wake up and just rush outside. So what I did was, when I'm doing my reset or when I'm taking a break, I usually do it very slowly. It's like I wake up at 5 o'clock. Like today, I got up at 4:30. So very slowly, I was doing, like, whenever I'm going out, I usually use slight, just a drop, and massage my hands and legs with Ayurvedic oil. My face, my and my feet and my hands, and I go out and I have my 2 glasses of water when I wake up. And as I said, I go very slow with my morning ritual. That's the reason why I get up very early, so that I don't have to rush. Earlier, what I used to do is rush every time. And last year around this time, I was rushing. I used to take bath, wear my clothes, and I used to wear my kurta, and I used to wear, it has to be a new kurta every single day. So my mind is on only on the kurta. Now I'm not like that. If I have to repeat my clothes, I repeat my clothes. If I'm wearing something at home so I can wear and just move out, I will just it's just that I do up my face a little nicer. Last time also I used to do all those things last year. I hope this old man doesn't come and sit next to me, which he has a habit of doing so. Last time he came and sat next to me on this bench. If he comes and sits now, I'll just get up from here. Maybe he's going and sitting on another bench. But that's his favorite bench or whatever. So that's the way it is. I know. See, I was sitting on a bench. एक bench खाली है. That other female came and sat next to me, and then she's talking on the phone. Then he's giving me this, staring into me and wondering why I walked over. Are there is another bench, so that's the reason why I shifted. I came and sat here because it's an empty bench. You have your privacy. You speak on the phone or you do chit chatting. No problem. Skin is looking better. People are wanting to find my wrinkles or wanting to find some new skin. I haven't received any compliments from people saying you are healthy, you're looking better. I hope you understand. वो होता है ना, from your relatives and well wishers or neighbors, whatever, or community people, whoever is watching, right? ना, when you're positive, you're positive. वो नहीं आता है लोगों के मुंह से, कुछ भी पॉजिटिव नहीं आती है. वो दे जस्ट लुक आउट फॉर समथिंग नेगेटिव इन टू यू, कि कुछ नेगेटिव मिल जाए सो दैट दे कैन टॉक अबाउट इट एंड हैव फन अबाउट इट. One of the females is sending me, are you, hope you are well. When you're seeing me, I am dressed up so well and I'm looking so good. Hope you're well. Looks like you're really stupid in your head. पैदल है तू, अक्कल से समझ में नहीं आता है. इफ़ यू आर सीइंग मी dressed up differently and looking really nice means hope you're well, means I don't know, is that the way to start a conversation? Supposedly मेरी रिश्तेदार, stupid she is. It's out of jealousy basically. Ki how come she's so happy? How come she's looking so good? You know what? My heart is telling me to go to some place and to try some nashta garma garam. Though there is this Udupi restaurant just in front of me. मैंने बोला कुछ अलग खाते हैं आज, कुछ गर्मा गर्म कुछ ऐसा नहीं. I'll go home and make my लाछा पराठास. It's like I'm sitting in the train. And there's ample amount of space, I guess, around. Whatever. Okay, let me just continue how it is. So there's a lot of jealousy factor which happens with people. They don't appreciate. They just look out for something negative. और negative को लेके उसको और ज़्यादा magnify करना है, amplify करना है. So this is the way people are. They are constantly in search of something negative. It's like you're going outside and you're asking, is it raining today when it's winters? Next time I'm going to taunt her and tell her what kind of I wanted to say, does it rain? Was it a rainy day? But doesn't make sense actually, all this kind of thing. So now you can understand that how can you have conversations with these kind of people who are time wasters. So social media has become more of a time wasting thing, where people just want to waste your time and grab your attention. So that's the way it is. What's the purpose? What's the purpose? Let's see, I might just go for a... I'll walk slowly because what has happened is that I'm walking after a long time. So that's the reason why. Please keep doing what you think is right. And don't be too carried away all with this manifestation and all this kind of things. Take it easy with yourselves. चलो लेट मी जस्ट गो. मुझे ऐसा ट्रेन वाली फीलिंग आ रही है यहाँ पर. It looks like my station has come. I've sat here for a long time, so bye. Take care of yourselves.